All right, you guys, we're here today for the battle of the century.
Of the century.
Of the century. We have skateboard versus handboard. This is Zyler.
Hi.
And this is Carlos. Here you go.
Thank you.
And they're gonna play a game of handboard versus regular skateboard, a game of skate. And if it goes too fast, we're gonna play skateboard. Rochambeau.
Okay. Alrighty.
All right,
Kickflip.
wait, can I just?
Yes.
Can I just flex my skills real fast?
Yeah.
This is what I did at VidCon, guys. I'm gonna judge you hard. Okay.
Okay. All right.
So you gotta call every trick.
Okay.
If I see anything, if I see even
finger?
a nail,
Oh goodness.
I'm calling you.
All right. I do have long nails. Okay. Kickflip.
All right.
Okay. Train flip.
All right. You don't have to pop out of frame. Okay. You can keep it a little lower.
All right. Beautiful. Okay. Nollie flip.
Wow.
It's much more impressive on the skateboard. All right. Back heel.
We're counting it.
Oh, 6. Okay. Switch varial flip. Oh, I don't know why I would do that.
Whoa.
Oh goodness. Ooh, that one
I've
scared
never
me a
felt
little
more
bit.
scared for anyone.
Oh, it was horrifying. Switch heel. I don't know why I would do that either, dude. Oh my goodness.
If you pop that high one more time. Wow. How do you do that on? I've tried a heel flip. That's impossible.
Yeah.
Oh!
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 Okay.
All right, that doesn't count. I just wanted. What?
That was very sketchy. I almost pre-mode though.
I am so stoked to see this game. I want to see who the winner will be.
Who do you think?
I don't know, man. They're both really good at it.
Oh, that's a tough one. It literally hurt my brain to think of how you did that. Oh, he's coming at you. Oh!
Oh no! All
That's
right.
an S.
S. Okay. Oh.
Whoa!
I'm going to say that's a rebate.
The hardest trick in skateboarding. And he does it like nothing. What is the hardest trick in handboarding?
I think it's nollie inward heel, but tons of people have
Jeez.
other ones. I don't know.
Oh, dirty. Let me give you a rebate.
I'm going to give him a rebate on that.
I need to get good at that trick. Dude. Ooh, that was good. Whoa!
Oh my gosh. That's
Whoa!
An easy one.
That's
Dude,
okay, Mario.
That's impossible. That's an impossible for you.
I see what you did there. Carlos!
Do a nollie inward heel.
How did you do that? The pressure was on, and you delivered.
Yeah, it worked.
Well done.
Thank you. All right, hard flip.
Can you do that again? Just
yes,
'cause that was
yeah.
cool? Wow. Handboard versus skateboard.
Okay, inward heel.
And you have drawn blood from Underlord Kraylon.
I did it, Underlord Kraylon.
Well
Okay,
done.
all right, switch tray.
No, that was good.
Good?
I'm
Yeah,
giving
all right,
that to
sick.
him.
Okay,
I'm giving that to him.
That was pretty great.
That
I
was
liked it.
the fact that he held on to that,
Yeah,
he deserves
that
it.
just makes it a win. Okay, laser flip. All right, laser
Here we
flip.
go. Wow.
Switch backside flip.
Going for the throat. Wow, Carlos.
Nollie heel. Nollie front flip, left flip.
I messed. I took you out of your groove. That was my fault. Yeah, it was-
That's
it
good.
was that
Yeah.
way. Big flip. That shouldn't be that easy for a person.
If I was me playing him, I would be crying for mercy. But
You
it's the
would've been out
Underlord.
like 10 minutes ago.
I would have been out on the first 5 seconds.
Switch front heel.
Oh,
Oh my
that's
God.
an A.
Nollie late front foot flip. Oh.
Overflip, wow.
I'll do the nollie front foot late flip. No, my hand, it missed the flicker right there. All right, let's just do a switch big flip.
Just casually do a switch big flip. No big deal.
phone?
That was remarkably close.
I haven't done that in like, I don't know. Yeah.
Triple flip.
Okay. I think that was 3.
Mario, was that triple?
That was triple.
Yeah, I think it was.
Are you sure that was triple?
100%. I saw 3 flips in there, and I was like, that's insane. That looked just like yours.
GG.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
You are the winner.
Good game.
Mario, now you play him.
I'm gonna do all
go.
bubble,
No, I'm serious. You gotta play him.
all bubble flips.
You just gotta win Rochambeau first.
All right, let's see it.
Let's do this. Come on.
Oh man.
Rochambeau.
Oh my
crap.
god.
Mario, you go first.
Yes. What was that?
That was a shove.
All right.
Oh yeah, Mario. Oh, bubble flip.
Kicky flippy.
You find the most absurd.
Just really? Okay. 360 hard flip. Oh, I missed it.
Dang.
My hand, dude.
Woo! Shove Reeve. Nollie 3 shove.
Oh
Wait,
no, dude! I don't know if I can.
Nollie 3
No,
shove.
seriously, I don't know. Oh, I can. Okay, all right.
Dang.
That was.
I don't know if I could do this, and then does it first try. Fakey bubble flip, Mario. You gotta work on your switch and regular and fakey and all the bubble flips.
I know. That was so bad.
All right, 360 hard flip.
Mario, 360 hard flip.
360 hard flip.
Yeah.
All right, bro.
That actually was not bad.
Yeah, well, should I still do really hard?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I want you to annihilate him.
360 inward heel flip.
Mario, 360 inward heel.
Did he really just do a 360
Yeah, he did.
inward heel?
It's not, all right, tray flip, late flip. Ooh.
Whoa,
That was
you almost
really
missed
weird.
that. Yep.
Yeah.
Whoa, I'm gonna get
Yeah,
a
I'll
rebate on
rate
that.
it. Oh, that's
Oh,
weird.
that angle though. Oh!
Does that count? Does that count?
That was the best thing
Alright.
I've ever seen. I gotta try that. Oh!
Why? That was great.
Dang. All right, your trick.
Okay, tray flip, late flip. That would have been it. It's just like.
Land it. Fakey frontside 3 shove.
Whoa, I've never done that.
Wow.
That was.
You landed it?
You landed it.
Switch, shove it. Redo, yeah.
That was beautiful.
Hey, what do I do? I'm out of tricks.
Oh!
That doesn't make any sense.
That's what I'm talking about.
Tray flip, late flip.
Mario, tray flip, late flip.
Flip and then late back foot, underfoot.
What? Inward heel flip, late back foot, underflip.
Easy.
Yeah, no problem. Look at that. I actually think you could do inward heel flip. Tray double flip, revert.
Okay.
Ooh, Mario, I brought you another chance. Look at that.
Barrel heel.
Very heel.
Oh, you wanted the double tray revert?
Tray double flip revert.
It was a pleasure playing Zyler today. I'm about to land this, and he's gonna lose after that.
Mario, if you land this, you win.
It was going for a tray double.
Yeah, one more try, one more try.
Try.
You know, for a quick second, I was like, what if Mario actually landed it?
That was a really good game. Zyler is too good at this.
Great
Too
game.
good.
Yeah. Gabe told me to do the hardest tricks I could, so yeah. I blame Gabe.
It was fully my fault. I did tell him, I said do everything crazy.
Next time, I'm gonna have switch, bubble flip, not only bubble flip, switch, bubble flip, reverts, and hopefully I can get him to T.
All right, you guys, those were two of the best games ever. The first one was great, and the second one was just, quite frankly, hilarious.
Yeah, that was a good game.
I fully told Zyler to just freaking finish him, just fatality Mario, and it worked. It was
Yeah.
great. So,
Thank you.
yeah, thank you guys so much. A huge thanks to Handskate Incorporated for these.
Yeah.
And for providing Zyler to come to the Braille House and whoop all of our skaters in games of skate.
Thank you.
Yeah, so huge thanks. You can check out Handskate. Link will be in the description below. And you can check out all their Instagrams and all that other stuff will be down there. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Go on our website, brailleskateboarding.com/shop to pick up your own Braille handboard.
Yep.
And you can learn trade double flip reverts just like Zyler
All
over
the
here.
time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you
Yeah.
tomorrow.